What's the meaning of Cadillac? Cadillac. Cadillac.
Cadillac. Cadillac. Cadillac is an American luxury vehicle brand owned by General Motors. The name Cadillac was derived from Antoine Longman de la Mauve, Sieur de Cadillac, the founder of Detroit, Michigan. Cadillac vehicles are known for their prestigious image and high level of comfort, as well as their advanced technology and engineering. The brand has a rich history dating back over a century and has been synonymous with success, achievement, and luxury in American culture. Today, Cadillac continues to offer a wide range of high-end vehicles, including sedans, SUVs, and sports cars, that cater to drivers seeking the ultimate in luxury, style, and performance.